You'll get to know the 7 tips on how to get rich on a low income. There's a bonus tip in the end, so watch this video till there and follow these rules. Now let's start. Number 1. Use the 50, 30, 20 guideline. The 50, 30, 20 rule serves as an essential guideline for effective budgeting. Here's how to optimize it for your benefit. Essential expenses. 50% of income ensure that the fundamental expenses are managed: housing, utilities, food, and transportation. These are essential elements to ensure your life operates efficiently. Desires. 30% of income indulge in self-care while maintaining financial stability. Allocate funds for enjoyable activities such as hobbies and dining out, while ensuring you remain within a sensible limit. Allocate 20% of your income towards savings. Every little bit saved contributes to your overall financial health. Allocate funds for unforeseen circumstances and long-term objectives. Establish automatic transfers to streamline your saving process. Number 2. Eliminate all debts. Liabilities like debts frequently carry elevated interest rates. Therefore, the extended duration for repayment results in increased overall expenditure. When planning for long-term savings, prioritize paying off your debts to avoid incurring unnecessary interest expenses. For instance, consider a scenario where you hold a debt of $1,000 with an interest rate of 14%, which results in an annual cost of $140. Simultaneously, if you have $1,000 in a savings account yielding 1%, you would earn $10 annually. By prioritizing the savings over debt repayment, you would effectively be incurring a loss of $130 each year. We recognize that this may not be practical for everyone, as the process of eliminating debt and beginning to save can be time-consuming and requires a high income, but don't worry, small amounts would also work. Therefore, if your goal is to save for a short-term need, this approach may not be suitable. If time is on your side, it would be wise to focus on eliminating all outstanding debts first. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Number 3. Oversee bills and expenses. Effectively managing bills and expenses is essential for everyone. Regardless of whether you're looking to quickly save money on a limited income or if you have a steady influx of funds, there are several strategies you should consider implementing. Consider negotiating your bills. Have you secured the most cost-effective options available for your bills? Utilities such as gas, electricity, and broadband represent a significant portion of your monthly expenses. By finding ways to reduce these costs, you can redirect the savings into your savings account, enhancing your financial stability. Consider changing service providers. Ensure that you are utilizing the most cost-effective energy tariff or deal available to maximize your savings. Numerous companies provide attractive incentives for switching, including cash payouts or reduced monthly payments. Optimize your energy usage. Consider reducing your energy consumption. Consider transitioning to a smart meter, investing in LED light bulbs, and turning off switches when not in use. You understand the concept. Establish a method to prioritize your bills to prevent late fees and uphold a strong credit score. Number 4. Reduce utility expenses. Managing your utilities effectively can lead to significant savings on your monthly expenses. Implementing these strategies can lead to substantial savings. Optimizing energy consumption household equipment. Select appliances that boast high energy efficiency ratings to minimize your electricity usage. It's important to be aware of your energy consumption habits. Consider turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use to optimize efficiency. Consider investing in smart devices that leverage home technology to optimize energy usage according to your daily habits. Implementing these minor changes can significantly reduce your utility expenses while promoting a more sustainable way of living. Number 5. Strategic grocery shopping. Strategic planning can significantly enhance your budget management and minimize waste during your grocery shopping endeavors. Optimize your shopping strategies, enhance your savings, and maximize the effectiveness of your grocery budget. Strategically plan your meals and adhere to your shopping list. By organizing your meals in advance and creating a detailed shopping list, you can minimize impulse purchases and ensure that you acquire only the essentials. Seek opportunities for savings. Monitor for advertising, sales, and coupons on necessary purchases. Going shopping at discount stores or during off-peak hours, when clearance items may be available, can result in considerable savings. Take advantage of loyalty programs and cashback applications. Enroll in the loyalty programs provided by supermarkets to accumulate rewards or receive discounts on your future purchases. Furthermore, it may be beneficial to explore applications that provide rebates on groceries and other routine expenditures. Practice prudent spending. Establish a budget for your grocery expenses and adhere to it diligently. It's advisable to refrain from shopping on an empty stomach and to stay aware of marketing strategies that aim to stimulate impulsive buying decisions. Number 6. Look for cost-effective transportation. Identifying cost-effective transportation options not only conserves your finances, but also minimizes your environmental impact. Consider making an effort. Carpooling with friends, neighbors, or colleagues can lead to substantial savings on fuel costs. Additionally, this approach offers an excellent opportunity for social interaction while effectively sharing the expenses associated with fuel and maintenance. Utilizing buses, trains, or trams can serve as a financially savvy option compared to driving. Numerous cities provide reduced monthly passes or fares for frequent commuters, enhancing affordability significantly. Opting for cycling whenever feasible not only reduces fuel expenses, but also enhances your physical well-being. This approach offers an environmentally friendly and beneficial method for navigating shorter distances or handling errands within the community. Reducing your driving frequency can lead to lower expenses on vehicle maintenance and repairs, ultimately prolonging your car's lifespan and helping you avoid unforeseen costs. Number 7. Monitor your expenditures. Monitoring your expenses can significantly impact your wealth-building journey, even if you're working with a limited income. By keeping track of your expenditures, you can pinpoint opportunities to reduce discretionary spending and redirect those resources into savings and investment strategies. This level of financial awareness enables you to make deliberate choices regarding your finances, ensuring that each dollar contributes to your long-term objectives. Focusing on essential needs rather than discretionary wants, along with implementing minor changes to your everyday spending, can help you allocate resources effectively. This approach enables you to establish an emergency fund, reduce debt, or invest in appreciating assets for long-term growth. By diligently monitoring your expenses and adhering to your financial strategy, you will begin to notice the positive effects of your commitment. Your savings will increase, your debt will decrease, and you will be accumulating wealth gradually, $1 at a time. It's not solely about your earnings, but rather about your savings and the strategic ways you manage those resources. By carefully managing your expenses and making informed financial choices, you can attain stability and security, even with a constrained income. With consistent effort, this approach can result in the growth of your assets and a more stable financial outlook. Number 8. Establish achievable objectives. Outline realistic financial objectives. Establishing financial goals, whether for an emergency fund or personal indulgences, is essential for maintaining focus and ensuring you stay on the right path. At times, it may be necessary to secure additional funds quickly. Whether you need to address an unforeseen expense, enhance your savings, or finance a special indulgence, quick cash strategies can be incredibly beneficial. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the things the rich never buy, despite having money. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.